Welcome to the Quarto Journal. In this week's episode, we're gonna make Zereshk Polo ba Morgh, or also known as Persian Barberry rice with chicken. And if you want to learn how to make this dish, then keep on watching. Let's start by prepping the basmati rice. So wash the rice until it is clear and soak it in water for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Next, in a mortar and pestle, grind the saffron with a pinch of sugar, add 5 tablespoons of hot water and set it aside to bloom. Now let's prep the barberries. Make sure to clean and wash the barberries since they have little stones or debris in them. Next, season the chicken with salt and pepper. Then pan-fry the chicken on both sides until just golden brown. In another pot, sauté onion and garlic, and add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and the freshly cut tomatoes. Add 1 chicken cube, turmeric powder, coriander powder, paprika, and chili powder. And then add the chicken. Add enough water just to cover everything. And then season it with salt and pepper. Also add half of the saffron water. Next, bring water to a boil and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then add the basmati rice until it is 80% cooked, about 5 to 8 minutes. Strain the rice and wash with water. On the same pot, put a little oil and water. And then add the rice. And make holes on the rice. Place a kitchen or paper towel before covering the lid and cook it on low heat until done. Next, in a pan, cook the barberries with butter and a little sugar. Afterwards, put the barberries in a bowl and add the remaining saffron water. Add 1 cup of rice to the bowl and mix it well with the barberries. Now you can finally serve on a plate the plain rice topped with barberry rice and chicken on the side. Make sure to enjoy it while it is hot. And this concludes our 38th episode. And this is the Persian Barberry rice with chicken, a simple, easy, and delicious dish. The tender chicken pairs perfectly with the fluffy saffron rice and tart barberries. Give it a try and enjoy the vibrant flavors. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!